prominent American Jewish cantor drowned on Monday after being caught up in a flash flood which struck the Ein Gedi nature reserve in the eastern Judean desert. Israel police identified the flood victim as David Tauber of New York. He had driven to Nahal David from Jerusalem with his wife Heather, who was rescued after an extensive helicopter search. The couple had arrived in Israel as part of a program run by the Conference of Presidents of major American Jewish organizations, for which Heather worked as a meetings coordinator. During winter and spring seasons, the area suffers from constant flash floods.